An SEC document leak has just revealed a shocking XRP price target, and the crypto world is in disbelief. Could $10,000 be the real fair value of XRP? If this information is true, it could mean a massive shift in the financial system and a potential revaluation of digital assets. But the big question is, how accurate is this claim, and what does it really mean for XRP holders? Speculation around XRP's fair value has been circulating for years, but this time the discussion has been reignited by an alleged leak from within the SEC itself. Investors and analysts are digging deep into the details, trying to understand whether this is a hidden truth that was never meant to be public or simply a misunderstanding of internal calculations. The XRP community is buzzing, with some believing that this could be the ultimate confirmation that XRP has been undervalued for years. Others are more skeptical, warning that price speculation should always be backed by real-world market factors. So what exactly was leaked, and what impact could it have on XRP's future? Let's break down the details and uncover the truth. The alleged SEC leak has sent shockwaves through the XRP community, but what exactly was revealed? According to reports, internal SEC documents suggest that XRP's true fair value could be significantly higher than its current market price, with some figures pointing toward a staggering $10,000 target. While the specific details of the leak are still being debated, the claim is that the SEC has been aware of XRP's potential value for years, but kept this information from the public due to regulatory battles and market control. If true, this could mean that XRP has been deliberately suppressed, preventing it from reaching its real market potential. Investors are now questioning why such a high valuation would be considered by regulators. Could it be based on XRP's role in global finance? Was this figure calculated using Ripple's expanding network, cross-border payment utility, and adoption by financial institutions, or is this simply an exaggerated number taken out of context? Regardless of where the leak came from, one thing is clear: this has reignited discussions about XRP's real market potential. Some analysts believe that even if $10,000 is unrealistic in the short term, XRP could still see significant price appreciation if major banks and institutions fully adopt it. But is this valuation even possible? Let's break down what it would take for XRP to reach this price and whether it's within the realm of possibility. For XRP to reach $10,000 per token, several key factors would have to align, and the market would need to undergo a massive transformation. While some believe this leaked valuation from the SEC is proof that XRP has been undervalued and suppressed, others argue that such a high price target is mathematically unrealistic given the current financial system. So let's break it down. Could XRP actually hit this price, or is this pure speculation? First, let's talk about market capitalization. If XRP were to reach $10,000 per token, its total market cap would be hundreds of trillions of dollars, far exceeding the size of the entire cryptocurrency market today. Even Bitcoin, the largest crypto asset, has never approached that level. For this to happen, XRP would need to be integrated into the global financial system on a massive scale, potentially replacing traditional settlement systems like SWIFT. Another factor is supply and demand. XRP has a maximum supply of 100 billion tokens, with a large portion held in escrow by Ripple. For prices to skyrocket, mass adoption by banks, institutions, and even governments would need to take place, reducing the available circulating supply and driving demand to extreme levels. This could happen if XRP becomes the global standard for cross-border payments and financial settlements. Liquidity is another major issue. The current crypto market is not liquid enough to support such a high price for XRP without major institutional backing. However, if central banks, large corporations, and governments started using XRP for large-scale transactions, liquidity would drastically increase, making higher price levels more sustainable. The final piece of the puzzle is regulatory clarity. XRP has faced legal battles, particularly with the SEC, which have limited its growth. If regulators greenlight XRP as a fully compliant digital asset for financial institutions, it could open the door for major adoption, institutional investment, and real-world use cases that could push XRP's price much higher. So is $10,000 per XRP possible? While the number seems extremely ambitious, many agree that XRP's true potential has yet to be fully realized. But before we get carried away, let's look at the real-world catalysts driving XRP's price today and what could lead to major gains in the near future. While $10,000 per XRP may seem far-fetched, there are real-world catalysts that could push XRP's price significantly higher in the near future. The key factors to watch include Ripple's growing partnerships, institutional adoption, regulatory clarity, and the broader crypto market trends. One of the biggest drivers of XRP's potential growth is Ripple's expanding network. Ripple has already partnered with hundreds of banks and financial institutions using XRP as a bridge asset for cross-border payments. As these partnerships grow and more institutions begin utilizing XRP for real-world transactions, demand for the asset could surge, leading to higher prices. Another major factor is institutional adoption. More financial institutions are exploring blockchain-based settlement solutions, and XRP is one of the few digital assets designed specifically for global finance. If central banks or major corporations integrate XRP into their payment systems, this could lead to a dramatic increase in its usage and valuation. Regulatory clarity is also playing a huge role. The SEC lawsuit against Ripple has been a major roadblock for XRP's growth, but as the case moves closer to resolution, clarity in the legal landscape could open the doors for institutional investors who have been waiting on the sideline. If XRP is officially recognized as a regulated asset for cross-border transactions, it could attract billions in new capital. Market trends also influence XRP's price action. During major crypto bull runs, altcoins like XRP typically see massive surges. If Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to rise, XRP could follow suit, especially with its growing adoption and increasing liquidity. So while a $10,000 XRP may not happen overnight, there are real catalysts that could push its price to new highs in the coming months. The key now is to watch for critical developments that could trigger the next major move. But with all this bullish momentum, there are still challenges and risks that XRP holders need to be aware of. Could regulatory setbacks, market volatility, or competition from other digital assets slow down XRP's growth? Let's take a closer look at the potential roadblocks ahead. While XRP has strong bullish potential, there are still challenges and risks that could impact its growth. Even with institutional adoption, Ripple's expanding partnerships, and regulatory clarity improving, certain factors could slow down XRP's rise or create temporary setbacks. One of the biggest concerns is regulatory uncertainty. While Ripple has made progress in its legal battle with the SEC, global regulators are still figuring out how to classify and regulate digital assets. If new policies emerge that restrict the use of XRP by financial institutions or limit its role in cross-border payments, it could create short-term hurdles for price growth. Another factor is competition. While XRP is a leading solution for real-time cross-border transactions, other blockchain projects, stablecoins, and central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are being developed by governments and major financial institutions. If these alternatives gain more traction or receive government backing, XRP's dominance in the payment sector could face challenges. Market volatility is also a concern. Crypto prices are known for sharp movements, and even in a bull market, XRP could experience strong corrections before reaching new highs. Investors should be prepared for short-term price swings before expecting sustained growth. Another potential risk is whale activity. Large holders of XRP, including early investors and institutions, could decide to sell off their holdings at key price levels. If a large number of tokens